The hook, line, and sinker is 3 different bikes on the same platform at different price points. All 3 bikes have the same basic idea with 120mm travel fork, short stem, wide bars, and awesome geometry to make it absolutely rip on the trail. If you have the same amount of money for this bike versus a full suspension, you're going to get better spec and more for your money out of this bike. The short rear end is going to make it easy to get your front wheel up over stuff, make it quick on corners, and just a really fun, playful bike. The slack head angle will help you just make it handle really good on the trail. And then the short stem and wide bars put you in the good body position for aggressive riding. When Diamondback designed this frame to make it as strong as possible while not being heavy, we were able to shape the tubes to basically come together really nicely, look great, and be as light as possible while still being strong. This is a good bike for anybody, really. Top level rider will have a good time on it. It's a really playful, fun bike, but it's also a great bike for someone just getting into the sport. It's not going to be too much bike for them. It's going to be a really fun bike.